Hello everyone, what you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics who are working here in the shop with me, so relax, we're going to fix it. When the message collision mitigation system problem appears on a Honda, the car is basically telling you that one of its electronic eyes isn't seeing properly. This system is part of the driver assistance package that uses a front radar and a camera to detect obstacles and help prevent collisions. But according to mechanics here at the shop, many times the issue isn't as serious as it sounds, and it often starts with something surprisingly simple. One of the most common causes is that the front radar or camera is dirty, blocked, or partially covered. This happens frequently when there's dirt, ice, mud, snow, or even insect debris on the front of the vehicle, especially behind the Honda emblem or on the windshield near the rearview mirror. The system depends completely on clear visibility, so if it can't see, it shuts itself off for safety. Many people told me the message disappeared simply after washing the car or carefully cleaning the windshield and front emblem. But when dirt isn't the problem, the culprit is often a weak or unstable battery. This system is very sensitive to voltage, and several technicians explain that if the battery is aging, discharged, or was recently disconnected, the module may trigger that message. This happens because the system needs stable voltage to calibrate properly. In fact, many reported cases show that replacing the battery or fully charging it made the message disappear without replacing any parts. Then there's another situation that shows up quite often in vehicles that have had a minor accident, even a light one, or a small impact with a curb or object. The front radar is extremely sensitive to alignment, so if it shifts even a few millimeters, the system detects that its calibration is no longer accurate. In these cases, the vehicle needs a radar recalibration using a professional scanner. It doesn't necessarily mean the radar is damaged, it just lost its original reference point. There are also situations where the issue is related to the front camera. Some customers reported that after replacing the windshield, the message appeared and wouldn't go away. This happens because the camera requires recalibration after any windshield replacement or if the camera was disconnected. Even a slightly incorrect installation can trigger this message, since the system relies on extremely precise measurements. Now, when the message appears along with other warnings such as VSA system problems, electric steering issues, or multiple system alerts at the same time, many mechanics agree that the cause is often related to the vehicle's overall electrical system. It could be a weak battery, an alternator that isn't charging properly, or a loose connection. Modern Honda vehicles are highly interconnected, so when voltage isn't stable, multiple systems enter protection mode.